Hey, what's up, folks? How is it going? So today's interview question is, what is multi-stage Docker build? And stay till the end. We'll have at the end we have a quiz, and I will explain this multi-stage Docker build. I will show you one small demo so that it will be very clear, like what are the benefits of multi-stage Docker build. And at the end, there will be one quiz. Okay. So if you look at the development environment, developer generally installs a lot of development tools, framework, compiler, right? And then he developed the application because he needs all these tools, frameworks, etc., dependency libraries, header files. But when a tester gets the application, he just gets the installer, right? He doesn't need to install all the development environment. So in the Docker also, we will be building the image into two stages. While building, we'll be installing all the tools, etc., dependencies. But so that we need full-fledged OS or full-fledged, basically full-fledged image, basically which contains all the tools frameworks dependencies. But when we are going to run it, we don't need so many tools because we are not going to build it. We are just going to run it. So that's what we do in multi-stage. We divide into two stages. So what is the multi-stage Docker? So build in multiple stages to separate dependencies from the final image. So final image we take very small one. Build we do in a full image where we have all the tools. The first stage is the use a full development environment to compile or build the app. The second stage is copies only necessary files to lightweight base image. So this helps to reduce the image size by eliminating build tools and unnecessary files. And this also enhances security by keeping development dependencies out of production. And it also speed up the deployment. So we can also take distroless image that we'll discuss in another interview question. Distroless image we can remove all the system other binaries, right? We don't need to do ls tools and other tools so that some hacker don't get into the system, run some command line things, right? So we will keep very basic minimal stuff whatever is required to run the application. So why use multi-stage docker build? Smaller image size removes unnecessary build tools, reduces the final image size. It improves the security because it keeps development dependencies out of the production image. So during development, we use a lot of install a lot of tools. So if you don't have those tools, hacker won't be able to use those tools and won't be able to install also because we remove all the most of the command lines. If it is not there, then they won't be able to install anything. Then faster deployment will be faster because small image size means quicker deployment, better performance. If image size is less, performance will be better. A workflow is cleaner, separate build and runtime stages, making Docker file more manageable, and use minimal base image. The final image uses lightweight, reducing attack surface. So these are the benefits: small image size, improved security, faster deployment, better performance, cleaner workflow, and use minimal base image. So let's try out one simple Docker multi-stage application. So index.js, we just print hello world, and we have package.json. Okay, package.json, and we'll be building a Node.js application and a Docker file, normal Docker file we have. In the normal Docker file, we are taking a base image Node 20, which is having a lot of build tools, etc. And here we are copying the working directory. We are setting to /app, copying the package.json, then doing npm install package.json. What are the dependencies that should be installed, and then copying the source code, and finally running it. So this is the normal way. In the multi-stage, what we do, we separate build stage and run stage, right? We have separated out build stage and run stage. So in build stage, what we do, we again take Node 20, which has all the tools for building, etc. And we are giving it a name like builder. And work directory again app, then copy the package.json where all the dependencies are mentioned. We do npm install all the dependencies. Here it's a small app, so we don't have any dependencies. But if there's a large app and there may be multiple dependencies, We run npm run build, and then finally we run the app. So here we take a very slim version of the image. You can set a work directory and copy this final thing from the builder. It may be final image, final application, final binary, whatever. So we copy from the builder. We copy it from the builder and then we run it. Okay. So these are the two stages. So we'll run these two stages and see how it works. Okay. Uh, there is a command docker build minus t hello world normal. This will be the image name, and this is the docker file I'm using. Docker file dot normal. Okay. So normal build is done. Now let's see Docker images. Yeah, hello world normal is done. Now we are going to build the multi-stage. Okay, so multi-stage build is also done. So now we can see image size. Here you can see that multi only 289 MB and the normal one 1.58 GB. So its size is huge, right? 1.58 GB. Okay. So clearly see that image size is very large for normal build, but multi-stage we were able to reduce the image size because we are using a lightweight base image. Okay. So multi-stage build helps by reducing the final image size, keep unnecessary build tools out of production, and improve security by using minimal runtime environment. So these are the benefits of multi-stage Docker build. So now let's go to today's quiz. So this is the quiz I post on my LinkedIn DevOps challenge page, and I organize also contest and daily challenge. So we can try it out, and you can also follow my LinkedIn DevOps challenge page and also WhatsApp channel. So what is the primary benefits of using a multi-stage Docker build? It allows running multiple containers in parallel. It reduces the final image size. It enables Docker to build image faster by skipping stages. It allows running a container without a base image. So answer is B. It reduces the final image size by eliminating unnecessary dependencies. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video.